हाय, माय नेम इज सौम्या सरकार और आप देख रहे हैं वेल्थ रिडिफाइंड ब्लॉग. Today's blog is very important and I thought that after this kind of market which we usually do not see, I should make a blog and inform the investors. Today market is gone down approximately 3%, which is a big in terms of percentage as well as in terms of the numbers. The market Sensex has been corrected approximately around 1600 points and Nifty touched almost 17,000 level. So people were very bullish at the starting of this month. They said that after October, November is going to be the good month, it's a bullish month and everything. But please remember that valuations were not favoring, which I was telling on the almost all videos, that valuation is not favoring the market and we need to be cautious. What happens is that when market goes up, people usually train to be bullish. They see that okay fine, this is a time when I should put more money, it will go up. Actually it goes up and then again it go up and all those things happen. But in this couple of months back, I saw that investors were getting slightly scared, which was a good thing. But definitely it was not alarming situation. I think it is not an alarming situation till now. Only thing is that market has given some corrections. As I told that we have a minor correction, major correction and dip correction. Now we are almost in the major correction. So usually once the major correction comes in, market start going up. Unlikely we will see some very deep correction, but obviously major correction is already on the happening. What an investor should do at this point of time? Two things. They should start back their investment which they are holding into debt funds and liquid funds slowly and gradually, not in one go. So if you have a 50 lakhs to deploy, you should start deploying 2-3 lakhs on every correction and deploying accordingly. You should not deploy all your 50 lakhs in one go. Second thing is that they should not lose the patience. They should not feel that I will take out the money and I will make losses and I will again enter when it comes to 14,000 level and all those things. See, what happened is that you see a very good thing when the market was going up. When market was 18,000, people was talking the market could go to 20,000. Now market has come down to 17,000. Now you will see within couple of days or couple of weeks, you will see people will start talking about market can go to 14,000 level. Actually, market doesn't follow that kind of pattern. Market generally in a longer term follow the valuation based pattern. If the earnings of the companies do well, obviously the market will go up and the share price will go up. So these kind of drastic movement will come down. But as an investor, you should remain patient and committed towards your investment. As in, whenever I meet any investor or something, I always tell them that the best way is not to time the market. Because nobody can ever time the market and you will also not. Probably 1 or 2 times you may be right, but most of the time you will go wrong. Unless and until valuation is really cheap. So, it is better that you continue with your systematic investment plan. Systematic investment plan helps you to overcome your behavioral fears, which is mostly a greed and the fear, and help you to invest the money at every dips and ups. So that actually average out your investment. You may not get in a systematic investment, you may not get a 60-70% return, but obviously you will not go to minus 60-70% also. You will average it out over the period of time, which is approximately 12-15%. So as an investor, I think you should not fear. You should start investing back slowly and gradually, and you should take the path of a systematic investment unless and until you find market has really become cheap. So if you follow these 3 patterns, I do not see your investment will have any problem. Market may correct further, or I can think that market can go to approximately 16,500 level or maximum to 60,000 level, but I do not think that it can go beyond that. Though I am not a market astrologer who can predict the market every time, but yes, I think that as far the valuation thing is concerned, market right now in a oversold category. So in a oversold category, usually people start buying it. Today's market rout is because of mostly the new variant of COVID, which is detected in South Africa as well as in Hong Kong. And this COVID variant is a very infectious, and people think it may lead to a third wave in India. Right now, we cannot tell that whether it is lead to third wave in India or not, because this variant is a very small at this point of time. There are hardly 2 people has been infected in Hong Kong and almost 15-20 people in South Africa. So there must be more data to be required to experience that whether we have a third wave or not. But I don't think that India will have a third wave, because most of our population are vaccinated with at least with 1 dose, and 45% people are already vaccinated with double doses. So we might not see a third wave, and slowly gradually market become calm and starts going up. As such, I do not see any panic, but as I told you, you should talk to your financial advisor or an investment advisor to know more about it and start investing the money systematically. I think that will help you to go through this turbulent time. Thank you very much for watching the video. We'll come up with this kind of videos on a regular basis. If you like the video, you may click the like button, you may subscribe to the channel, or you may share among your peer groups. I hope I have answered your majority of the questions, which is about the today's market fall and how the investor should behave on the couple of next weeks or something. Thank you for watching it. Namaskar.